So in this application have so many stories, classic story, bedtime stories. So you can see so many stories in there, long stories and small stories. So today which story we read? We read the Jungle Book. In the Jungle Book in India, a little boy is playing with wolf cub. The mother wolf is there. She says to the little boy, Mowgli, be careful. You could hurt yourself. Mowgli and his friends in the Jungle Book. Mowgli, as an infant, had been found by the wolf in the jungle. She had brought him up just as she had brought up her own cubs. Mowgli, still a boy, played with all the animals in the jungle. He had many friends: Bhalu, the bear, Bagheera, the panther, and his many monkey friends. But Sher Khan, the tiger, was cruel. Mowgli had always been warned to stay away from Sher Khan territory. Sher Khan did not like Mowgli and waited for the chance to harm the boy. One day, while Mowgli was playing, Bhalu came running to Mowgli and said, Mowgli, Sher Khan is in the terrible temper. He is going around telling everyone that he wants to kill you. Mowgli said, Don't worry, Bhalu. I can protect myself. Mowgli had an plan, and it was to counter-attack. He wanted to let loose the wild wolves of the forest on Sher Khan. To do this, he had to corner Sher Khan. He knew where Sher Khan spent most of the time. It was on slope in the mountains far from Mowgli cave. He did not want Sher Khan to support him because that would be the end of him. Mowgli thought, I should go around the mountain and to the top without Sher Khan saying. From the top, the bulls can charge at Sher Khan. That evening, Mowgli gathered 8 wild bulls with the longest and sharpest thrown. He said, Today we will put an end to the region of terror by the Sher Khan. This is my plan. Mowgli explained to the bulls how he wanted to attack Sher Khan. As per the plan, they circled the mountain unnoticed by the slumbering tiger. Once they reached the top, they could see in the clearing of little below Sher Khan resting. Mowgli said, Once I give you the single charge together, any false move and we could be endangering our lives. Mowgli lifted up his hand, brought them down, and shouted, Charge! The bulls rained down the slope, kicking up huge amount of dust. Sher Khan looked up, hearing these thunderous noises. He saw the bulls hurtling toward him. He tried to turn and run, but before they knew it, the bulls were on top of him.